Hey guys, how's it going? Henry Big Bug here with another video about the 10 greatest teachings from books, and today we'll be talking about Rich Dad Poor Dad, a bestseller that teaches about financial education and the importance of acquiring assets to generate wealth. So if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch our playlist of summaries from the best personal and financial development books. Also, hit the notification bell so you always receive this content firsthand, which extracts the greatest teachings from the best books and delivers them to you in a digestible format. So, here are the 10 greatest teachings from this book. Teaching 1. The difference between assets and liabilities. The author of the book highlights the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities in order to accumulate wealth. While assets are things that put money in your pocket, such as investments, businesses, and rental properties. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, such as debts, expenses, and consumer goods. According to the author, it is crucial to acquire assets and avoid liabilities whenever possible to increase your wealth. It's important to note that in order to know how to invest in assets, financial knowledge is necessary. Therefore, the next teaching is fundamental. Teaching 2. The importance of financial education. Financial education is essential to achieve financial freedom and independence. Unfortunately, the traditional educational system doesn't teach about money and investments. That's why it's necessary to learn about personal finance, such as saving, investing, and managing money efficiently. You can find a variety of sources for financial education, such as books, courses, and podcasts. With financial knowledge, you can make more informed and effective decisions about how to invest your money. Teaching 3. Make money work for you. One of the central ideas of the book is to make money work for you instead of working for money. For this, it's essential to invest in assets that generate passive income, such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. This way, you can earn money even when you're not working, ensuring a financially comfortable and stable life. By investing in assets that generate passive income, you can have more time and freedom to do other things that interest you, such as traveling, spending time with family, or pursuing hobbies. Teaching 4. Don't rely solely on a job. Relying solely on a job as a source of income is risky and limits your financial potential. It's important to explore other ways to generate income, such as freelancing, side businesses, and investments. By doing so, you can increase your financial security and provide more opportunities to achieve financial freedom. By diversifying your sources of income, you reduce dependence on a single job and increase your ability to deal with market uncertainties. Teaching 5. The importance of entrepreneurship. Being an entrepreneur can be an effective way to increase your income and achieve financial independence. By building a successful business, you can create a significant and lasting source of income. Moreover, entrepreneurship develops valuable skills such as leadership, decision-making, and problem-solving. It's important to note that entrepreneurship is not for everyone, but if you're willing to take risks and work hard, you can benefit greatly from it. How about receiving a study plan with separate videos summarizing books like this one every day on your WhatsApp? Get to know Good Morning Millionaire, a program that sends you a video every day while you sleep, so you can develop the habit of learning. Teaching 6. Learn from the rich. Observing and learning from people who have already achieved financial success can be a great way to acquire knowledge and strategies for managing your money and investments effectively. By getting close to successful people and seeking to learn from their experiences, you can make better financial decisions and achieve your own wealth goals. One way to connect with successful people is by attending networking events or through groups on social. Teaching 7. Make friends with people who share your financial goals. Surrounding yourself with people who share your financial goals and ambitions can keep you focused and motivated. Additionally, you can exchange ideas and learn from each other, collaborating to achieve financial success together. Finding groups or communities of people who share your financial goals can be a great way to connect. Teaching 9. Invest in your education and personal development. Investing in yourself is the best thing you can do to ensure your financial success. This includes learning about personal finance, developing skills, and acquiring knowledge in areas that interest you. By doing so, you increase your value in the market and open doors to more lucrative opportunities. You can find many options for online courses, books, and networking events to invest in your education and personal development. Remember that the more you learn, the more valuable you become in the market. Teaching 10. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. To achieve financial success, you must be willing to take calculated risks. This may include investing in new businesses or ventures, even when there are uncertainties. By taking calculated risks, you're opening yourself up to opportunities for growth and financial success. It's important to remember that taking risks doesn't mean being reckless. It's essential to carefully evaluate the risks involved in each financial decision and take measures to minimize them whenever possible. With time and experience, you can develop a more acute intuition for assessing risks and making calculated decisions. So, did you like these teachings? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends.